Okay, this is how this game is going to work. The directions say, number one, the first thing you'll do is you'll use an online dice to roll a number to fit in the place value chart. You will do this twice. So you're going to roll an online number 2 times, depending on the number of digits you need. So if it's a 6-digit number that you need to create, you need to roll the dice 6 times. If it's a 7-digit number you need to create, you need to roll the dice 7 times. The second thing you'll do is you'll create a number that can fit between the 2 numbers to make the order true. If you have real dice with you, you can definitely use those. If not, then you can use this website. So if you click on either the word website, it will open a link to go to Dyson Spinners Interactive, or you can click on the photo here. It's just a screenshot. It'll take you to the same place. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the first one, and I have my virtual dice here. So I'm just going to get that ready. Once you have that open, you can go ahead and go to your slide. So it says step 1, roll the dice 6 times to create a 6-digit number. Type each digit in a separate place. So I'm going to click. You're going to have to click back and forth between windows. So I roll it. I have a 4. So I'm going to stick a 4 in my first plot, in my 100,000s place. I'm going to roll again. I have a 3. I'll stick a 3 in my 10,000s place. Roll again. A 2. I will stick a 2 in my 1,000s place. Roll again. I have a 6. I'll stick that in my hundreds place. I'll roll again. I have another 6. I'll stick that in my tens place. Roll again. I got a 4. Okay. So it looks like here I have 432,664. Now, step 2, I need to roll the dice 6 more times to create another 6-digit number. And we'll type that each digit in a separate place. So let's keep going. I got a 1. Ooh. Roll again. I have a 6 in my 10,000s place. Roll again. I got a 2 now in my thousands. Roll again. I have a 5 in my hundreds. Roll again. A 2 in the tens. And one more time. I have a 2. So the third step I need to do is I need to make up a number that fits between these 2 numbers. So you can kind of think of this as like least down here, because that's the situation I have, to greatest up here. But either way, if I were ordering it least to greatest or greatest to least, you can start at the top and work your way down. That number, whatever number I create, has to be able to fit. So this is kind of easy. I got a good situation here. So I have 400,000s and 100,000. So I could literally just make like 200,000. It could be anything. It could be 200,000, 8 10,000s, 1, and then I could do 1 1 1 if I wanted. So I would have 281,111. It fits between the numbers. It's less than my first number, and it's greater than this number. Now, say that I ordered these in a, say that they were opposite, they were flipped. My number would still work because the number needs to go in between the top number and bottom number. Say that that was a 4 and this was a 7. Still, I could keep the same number because 432,664 is, actually I can't keep the same number because this is 200,000. So I need to have between 400,000 and 700,000. I could use 500,000. I could use 600,000. I could even do 400,000, and at just some point I need to have it greater than my first number. So I could keep all of this if I wanted to be super extra about it. That's a 6. And then I'll change this to a 5. So still, my number in yellow is still greater than 432,664 because it's just greater by 1. So you're going to do that on each slide in this game. So good luck and find what goes in between.